beaded fishtail bracelet, we're going to need some rubber bands, some beads, a pick, which is optional, a tool, and an S or a C clip. Instead of a tool, you can use a mini loom or your fingers. For my beaded fishtail bracelet, I'm going to use some white rubber bands, some purple rubber bands, and some galaxy colored beads. First, we're going to need to put some rubber bands through beads. So we're going to grab a bead, and we're going to grab a rubber band, and we're going to put the rubber band through the bead. Like this. Now we're going to take a different color rubber band and put it through a bead. And now we're just going to keep doing this until we have a bunch of rubber bands through beads. Now I have about enough rubber bands through beads. If you're looming and you see that you don't have many rubber bands through beads left, you can make more along the way. And if you see that you're about done with your bracelet and you have so many more rubber bands through beads left, you don't need to use them all. Now let's start looming. So to make the beaded fishtail bracelet, we're going to grab a rubber band that doesn't have a bead, and we're going to place on one peg, twist it, and place on the other peg. It should look like this. Now, we're going to grab our S or C clip, and we're going to place one side of it, and we're going to grab the rubber bands with that one side. There we go. We do this so later when we're going to attach the two parts of the bracelet, it's easier to get. Now, since this rubber band's white, we're going to take another rubber band that doesn't have a bead and is white, and we're going to place it on top. We're not going to twist this rubber band though. Now, since these two rubber bands are white, we're going to grab a rubber band that's white and has a bead on it, and we're going to place it on top. It should look like this. Now we're going to grab our pick, or you can do this part with your fingers, whatever you want, and we're going to take the bottom rubber band and bring it over the other rubber bands. It should look like this. Now we're going to grab a different color rubber band, for me it's purple, and we're going to place it over. And we're going to take the bottom rubber band over the other rubber bands. Like this. Now, since this rubber band's purple, we're going to grab a purple rubber band that has a bead on it, and we're going to place it on top. Like this. Now we're going to take this bottom rubber band and bring it over. And now we're going to take a white rubber band, place it on top, and bring the bottom rubber band over. If it's hard to get, you can just push it aside and that'll make it easier to get. And we can pull it down so it gets in the right place. Now, since this rubber band's white, we're going to take a white rubber band that has the bead, and take the bottom rubber band and bring it over. Now we're going to take a purple rubber band and bring the bottom rubber band over. Now as you see on the sides, it's starting to form the fishtail bracelet kind of shape. And now, since this is purple one, And yeah, we're just going to keep doing this until we have a length that fits our wrist. Now I'm going to fast forward. So now that I've gotten my bracelet a length that fits my wrist, I'm going to show you guys how to finish off your bracelet. Finishing off your bracelet is super easy. So since this is on the outside, we're going to take another rubber band, so white one, and place it on top, and take the bottom rubber band over the other rubber band. So this is inside the rubber bands. So now when it looks like this, instead of adding another rubber band, we're just going to take the bottom rubber band over the other rubber band. Like that. And now we're going to put this rubber band on this peg. And we're going to push it this way and put our finger inside. And we're going to get the other part of the S-clip, or C-clip if you're using a C-clip. And we're going to put this part inside. And that's it. And there's your beaded fishtail bracelet. Doesn't it look so beautiful? On the sides it looks exactly like a fishtail bracelet. So that's going to be it on the tutorial on how to make a beaded fishtail bracelet. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and the notification bell to know whenever I make new videos. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you next time on Looming with Maya. Bye for now.